Hey guys, John here over at Byrider in Green Bay. I'm a salesman at this Byrider location, and I want to share with you a couple tips that have helped people get in vehicles and get financing with Byrider before. So, first tip, if you have a trade-in, bring it. Our bank loves trade-ins. They love taking them in, and they will take them all day long. Doesn't matter if they run, doesn't matter if they're great. As long as that vehicle is registered in your name, our bank wants it, and they love it. Another good tip, this one's a secret, down payments. The bank loves money. It's a bank. Whatever you can bring to the table shows them that you are invested. We've helped people before with little to no money down, absolutely. But the more you can bring to the table, the more the bank is going to like the deal. Here at Byrider, we specialize in helping people with low or no credit get into vehicles. So if that's you and you're looking for a vehicle, we would love to see if we can help you out. Our number here is 920-455-7788. You can call us at any time or stop in and visit us at location 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin. We help people all day get into cars. I'd love to help you too. So have a really great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.